students, welcome all for a geography lessons which is embedded in your physics chapter of electromagnetic waves. Before starting with the geography, first question, why are we studying this so-called structure of atmosphere? Last time we completed the idea of something called as electromagnetic waves, which are wireless. Wireless means no wires, but obvious. They travel through the air. What is air? Atmosphere. So, but obvious, you have to study the idea of entire layers of atmospheres. So simple. The very first layer in the yellow is troposphere. Above that there is mesosphere, followed by thermosphere. Then you have exosphere and all. The white color patch in that blue part is your ozone layer. Quite a layer we have. But what are you expected in your examinations is the following table. Different layer of atmosphere, let's start naming them. First layer is your tropo, strato, meso, iono and thermo. Let me tell you one thing, thermo is a baby of ionosphere, but obvious. These are the layers, and the first thing which you will be studying is the height. Well, what about the height? Let me ask you one thing. Is the height in centimeter? No. Meter? No. Then it's kilometers. That's it. 0 to 12 kilometer. But 1 kilometer is too big. It's beyond your imagination. Do you want to prove? Okay. Which is the tallest tower in the entire world? Burj Khalifa. What's the approximate height? 800 meters. 800 meters. Not even 1 kilometer. Not even one. So now imagine 12 kilometers. Above Khalifa, you have to place 12 more Khalifas. Till then, you will get the idea of troposphere. Welcome to the structure of atmosphere. Then we have your stratosphere, which goes from 12 to 50 kilometers. Meso 80. Iono 400, and thermo, being a baby of iono, goes up till 110. So you can remember the upper values. So once again, tropo 12, strato 50, meso 80, iono 400, thermo 110. What is the density of air taken as 1? As you go up, density goes on decreasing. Reason is less number of molecules, less dense. So the idea here is 1 is the density, 1 means 10 raised to 0. And look at the values. Look at the values. Look. Quite difficult. How many values you have to remember? No. You don't have to remember the values. You have to remember the technique to remember the values. How exactly it will be? Simple. If you look at 1, it's 10 raised to 0. A kilogram per meter cube is just a unit. So it's like, as I go up, of course in the atmosphere, so it will be like 0 to -1, -1 to -3, -3 to -5, -5 to -10. 0 to -1, -1 to -3, -3 to -5, -5 to -10. Over. Simple and easy.